And on to module 5. Now we're going to talk about managing those resources, managing the money that you made easy for your clients to pay you once you make it. First thing, what do you do when you make $1 as an entrepreneur? For me personally, for every dollar that I make, 25% goes right back into my company for reinvestment. That's to buy equipment. That's to pay other people. That's to buy cool merch. Whatever I need to do as operating costs to run my business, I take 25% out of every dollar I make to go right back into the business. Then I take about 10% out to pay for marketing. Even when you have work on your desk, you need to focus on how to get more work on your desk as an entrepreneur. You never want the well to run dry. So whether that's paying for Instagram ads, Facebook ads, whether that's paying to be on a warm lead website, paying to go to a pop-up shop, paying to be a part of a farmer's market, you want to use 10% of that dollar to go back into advertising. That way you can have more work on your desk. After I put that 25% to reinvest in the company, I take out about 10 to 15% to go towards advertising and marketing. Then I will take out a distribution and pay myself. A distribution is when you take out money from your company account and put it into your personal account. Basically, I write myself my own paycheck. Then from that distribution, I will take out between 22 and 37%, depending on which tax bracket I fall into, just to pay the government. And that's for your employee taxes. But when you're self-employed, you also have to pay a self-employment taxes. So you might want to skim another 10% off of that. I know that sounds crazy. Like, hold on, how much money is left? I don't have a calculator. I'm not very good at math. That's why I make videos for a living. But you're looking at maybe 10 to 15% that you will take home in your pocket for every dollar that you make as an entrepreneur. However, if you don't put money back into your business, how can you ever get better? How can you grow your business? How can you scale? If you're not putting money towards advertising, marketing, sales, your business is going to go dry because there's nothing in the well. You have nothing in the pipeline. You have no new clients coming in. Don't talk to me about taxes. Pay your taxes, pay them on time. Obviously, there's legal ways that you can find that can reduce your tax burden. But for the most part, you're going to have to pay the government what you got to pay the government. So go ahead and pay them. But the good thing about entrepreneurship, unlike working a traditional 9-to-5 job, is that I get my money first. So let me give you a quick example. When you work a 9-to-5, if you make $1, the government's going to take their 22 to 37% off top. You're never going to even see that money. However, as an entrepreneur, I get all of my money at first. I can go invest it. I can go buy real estate and flip it and then give the government what's left, because I can also write off my expenses. So that's what I enjoy about being an entrepreneur, is that I get to touch and control my money first before I ever give it to the government.